press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back for the discussion JEE 1A competitive. Topic name is solid state. So solid state, here 4 to 5 numericals was a little bit time takes, remaining all will be direct questions. So we should go through the question number 26 onwards. Some will be concept background and some more will be the numerical background questions was there. So now it is question number 26th. So here, how many unit cells are present in a cube shaped ideal crystal of sodium chloride? Mass is equals to 1 gram. So this is a simple question. 26th, sodium chloride gram molecular weight is equals to 58.5. Gram molecular weight of sodium chloride is equals to 58.5. So 58.5 grams of sodium chloride is equals to 1 mole. 1 mole, that is n molecules or atoms. 1 mole is nothing but Avogadro number of atoms, Avogadro number of molecules, Avogadro number of ions. So 1 gram of sodium chloride is equals to how many atoms? That is equals to 1 into n by 58.5 atoms. 1 gram of sodium chloride is equals to 1 into n by 58.5 atoms. We know that sodium chloride is a FCC. In FCC, number of atoms is equals to 4. 4 atoms is considered as 1 unit cell. 4 atoms are considered as 1 unit cell. But NaCl is FCC. In FCC, number of atoms is equals to 4. So 4 atoms is equals to 1 unit cell. Here how many atoms will get? N by 58.5 atoms is equals to how much? So answer n by 58.5 into 1 divided by 4. On simplification of this, we should substitute n value 6.02 into 10 power 23 divided by 58.5 into 1 by 4. On simplification of this, we will get 2.57 into 10 power 21. 2.57 into 10 power 21. This was the answer for the question number 1. Number of unit cells present in 1 gram of sodium chloride. Number of unit cells present in 1 gram of sodium chloride is equals to 2.57 into 10 power 21. So the right answer is fourth one is the right option regarding this. So once again, sodium chloride gram molecular weight 58.5. 58.5 grams of sodium chloride is equals to 1 mole. 1 mole is nothing but Avogadro number of molecules or atoms. Instead of that, you should write here N0. And 1 gram of sodium chloride is equal to how much? Means 1 gram of sodium chloride is equal to 1 into N naught by 58.5. But NaCl is FCC structure. In FCC structure, total number of atoms are 4. So 4 atoms is equal to 1 unit cell. N by 58.5 is equal to how many unit cells? So N by 58.5 into 1 by 4 we should go with. And here 6.02 into 10 power 23 by 58.5 into 1 by 4. The answer is 2.57 into 10 power 21. It is a right option. And next 27th. Question number 27. A solid XY has NaCl structure. If radius of X plus is equals to 100 picometers, what is the radius of Y ions? Radius of X plus is equals to 100 picometers. What is the radius of Y ions? So this is a important question. Question number 27. Radius given. Radius of x plus given it is 100 picometers. Radius of x plus was given 100 picometers, and radius of y. Radius of y minus is equals to what? So we know that NaCl is a face-centered cubic unit cell. Coordination number 6. NaCl coordination number. NaCl coordination number is 6. Radius ratio. Radius ratio that is equals to r plus by r minus is equals to 0.41 to 0.73. This point you know, I think it is. Radius ratio of coordination number 6. Coordination number radius ratio is equals to 0.41 to 0.73. 0.41 to 0.73. So we know r plus by r minus is equals to 0.41. R plus by r minus is equals to 0.73. Because of minimum value is 0.41, maximum value is 0.73. So we have to calculate the radius of y minus. Radius of y minus. So here r plus given x plus given 100 picometers. So substitute 100 by r minus is equals to 0.41. Then what happens? R minus is equals to 100 by 0.41. 100 by 0.41. On other hand, we should go here also substitute r plus is equal to 100 by r minus is equals to 0.73. So r minus is equals to what will get 100 divided by 0.73. 100 divided by 0.73, the answer will be the nearly it is a 136.6 picometers. 136.6 picometers. On other hand, we will get it is a 241.6 picometers. So 136.6 picometers to 241.6 picometers is the right answer for the question number 27. Radius ratio of x plus 100 picometers was given. So here radius ratio of x plus 100 picometers was given. So what is the formula? Radius ratio is equals to r plus by r plus divided by r minus. R plus divided by r minus, the range we know that is 0.41 to 0.73. 0.41 to 0.73. So 100 by 0.73 will get 136.6, and 100 by 0.41 will get 241.6. So answer is this is the first option regarding this, that is 136.6 to 241.6, not 241.6, not 136.6. So this is the right option for the question number 27. And next 28. Question number 28. In orthorhombic, unit cell have values of A, B and C are respectively 4.2 angstroms, 8.6 angstroms, 8.3 angstroms. Given the molecular mass of the solute is 155 gram per mole inverse and density is 3.3 grams per cc, the number of formula unit cell is. Report your answer by rounding up to nearest integer. So here, just a minute, first we should write the given data, later I maximize that screen. A was given 4.2 angstroms, B given 8.6 angstroms, C given 8.3 angstroms, and what about that molecular mass given? Molecular mass is equals to 155 gram per centimeter cube, and what given last, it is density D given 3.3. Molecular mass gram per mole inverse, gram per mole, and density 3.3 gram per centimeter cube. Then my dear students, what to do? We have to calculate the number of formula unit cells. Number of formula unit cells. Number of formula unit cells is equals to what? So we know one formula. Density is equal to Zm by A cube n. Zm by A cube n. One formula was that density is equals to Zm by A cube n. Then what is Z is equals to density into A cube into n divided by m. Z is equals to density into A cube into n divided by m. So what is A cube here? A cube is equal to A into B into C. A cube is equals to what? A into B into C. That point, that was you converted into, given it is angstrom. One angstrom is equals to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. Clear? So substitute density value is equals to 3.3 into A cube. What is A value is 4.2 into 10 power minus 8. B value 8.6 into 10 power minus 8. C value 8.3 into 10 power minus 8. Later next is a n. N naught. N naught is nothing but Avogadro number. Avogadro number value, you know, that is 6.02 into 10 power 23 whole divided by what is m? M is equals to 155. M is equals to 155. On simplification of this, 8, 8, 8, 24. 10 power minus 24, 10 power 23 means 10 power minus 1. On simplification of this, 3.3 into 4.2 whole cube into 6.02 into 10 power minus 1 divided by 155, will get the value is on simplification of this total entire value will get finally it is what about that, it is nearly 3.84, approximately 3.84 will get. So from the question, report your answer. Once you go through the question, my dear students, report your answer by rounding up to nearest integer. Report your answer by rounding up to nearest integer means we should rounding of this one, we will get the nearest integer means what is the nearest integer? It is 4 is the nearest integer for this question. It is. Is it clear? I think. So unit cell values was given A, B, C. A into B into C is equals to what? A cube. A into B into C is nothing but A cube. So density formula we know Zm by A cube n. We have to find Z because we have to calculate the number of formula unit cells. Number of formula unit cells. So 4, because of it is 4 is nothing but this is a FCC, face centered cubic unit cell it is. So 4 will be the right answer for the question number 28. I think you understood it is clear. Next. Question number 29. Four is right answer for this one. 29, a little bit interested question. This is a crystal made up of particles x comma y and z. X form FCC packing. Y occupies all tetrahedral voids of x. Z occupies all tetrahedral. Y occupies all octahedral voids and Z occupies all tetrahedral voids of x. It all particles along one body diagonal are removed, then the formula of the crystal is. This is very very important question, my dear students. Such type of questions we expect compulsory for JEE. So X form FCC packing, X form FCC, X form FCC is equals to how many atoms? 4 atoms. So number of X atoms is equals to 4. Number of X atoms is equals to 4. How it is 4 means 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. This is the face, this is the corner. 8 into 1 by 8 is the face and 6 into 1 by 2 is the corner. So number of X atoms 4. Number of X atoms is equal to 4. Number of octahedral voids OHV. Number of octahedral voids is equals to 4. Number of tetrahedral voids is equals to 8. You know this one. Already one formula was there. What is that means? Number of atoms is equals to number of octahedral voids. 2 into number of atoms is equals to number of tetrahedral voids. How many atoms? 4 atoms. 4 atoms means 4 octahedral voids. 4 into 2, 8 tetrahedral voids. This is a whatever the formula it is. So number of octahedral voids 4. Number of tetrahedral voids 8. So go through the question. X and Z. Whatever that whatever occupies, Y occupies all octahedral voids and X occupies Z occupies tetrahedral voids. So this is a Y, it is a Z. Number of octahedral voids occupied by Y atom. Number of total tetrahedral voids are occupied by Z. X can form what it is? FCC, face centered cube. Then what happens means it all particles along one body diagonal are removed. So here remember, this is very important. One body diagonal are removed. What happens? So here when removal of body diagonal, two corners plus two tetrahedral voids plus one octahedral void also removed. This is a concept. If one body diagonal will be removed, means on that body diagonal, two corners atoms will be present, two tetrahedral voids are present, one octahedral void is present in body diagonal. In body diagonal, like this body diagonal it is, these two are the corners and here two tetrahedral voids will be there, here one octahedral void will be there. This is the body diagonal of the cube. It is, go through this like this. So this is a body diagonal. In this body diagonal, which atoms are present means two corner atoms, two tetrahedral voids and one octahedral void will be present. In body diagonal, two corner atoms, two tetrahedral voids, one octahedral void are present. One octahedral void are present. So these are removed. Already we know how many corner atoms total? 8 corner. Out of 8 corners, you should remove 2 corner atoms. Removal of 2 corner atoms, remaining corners will be 6. Got it? I think it is. Total number of corner atoms 8. Out of that 8 corner atoms, you should remove 2 corner atoms because of 2 corner atoms are in body diagonal. In body diagonal, 2 corner atoms will be there, and in body diagonal, 2 tetrahedral voids are there, and in body diagonal, 1 octahedral void is present. So here, go through. Number 1 is number of X atoms is equals to 6 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. What is the reason? 2 corner atoms are removed. Why? Body diagonal. In body diagonal, 2 corner atoms will be present. So what will be the answer here? 6 by 8 plus 3. 6 by 8 plus 3 means I should go with it is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 3. That is equals to what we will get? 3 by 4 plus 3. That is nothing but 4 is a 12. 15 by 4. So how many X atoms are there? 15 by 4 X atoms will be present. Number of X atoms is equals to 15 by 4. Number of X atoms will be 15 by 4. And second one is number of Y atoms is equals to, already number of Y atoms 4. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So Y is equals to 3. Because of go here, one octahedral word is present on body diagonal. Because what is the reason? Remove one octahedral word. And last one is number of Z atoms. Third one. Number of Z atoms is equals to, sorry, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Z is equal to 6. Why Z is equals to 6? Remove two tetrahedral words. Remove two tetrahedral words, Z is equals to 6. So X is equal to 15 by 4, Y is equal to 3, Z is equal to 6. X is equal to 15 by 4, Y is equal to 6, Z is equal to 3. I should write that remaining part here. X 15 by 4. X 15 by 4, is it visible? I think it is not visible. Just a minute. So here we should write X is equal to 15 by 4, Y was 3, Z is 6. So X 15, Y 3 4s are 12, Z 6 4s are 24. That is equals to 3 common. What is answer? X 5, Y 4, Z 8. This is the answer. X 5, Y 4, Z 8 is the right answer for this question. I think it will be a little bit time takes numerical. So once again, I would like to explain this question because the such type of examples are very important for JEE specialties. X form B XAC means 4 atoms. Number of atoms 4 means octahedral words 4, tetrahedral words 8. How we have to calculate 4 atoms? 4 atoms means is equal to 8 corners, 8 into 1 by 8, 6 faces, 6 into 1 by 2. So total 1 plus 3, 4 is equals to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 atoms. So body diagonal removed. When removal of body diagonal contains what it is? 2 corner atoms will be there. 2 tetrahedral words are there. 1 octahedral word is there. 1 octahedral word is also there. So remove 2 corner atoms, remove 2 tetrahedral words, remove 1 octahedral word. Then what happens means already 8 corners. Out of 8 corners, we are going with only 6 corners. And total octahedral words 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Tetrahedral words 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Because of 2 tetrahedral words removed, 1 octahedral word removed. Here 2 corner atoms are removed. That's why we should write here 6. Clear? And next question number 30. Next question number 30. The radii of Na plus and Cl minus ions are 95 picometers and 181 picometers respectively. The edge length of NaCl unit cell is. This is very very important and common simple reaction. So here 30 radii of Na plus is equals to 95 radii of Cl minus 180. and NaCl, edge length, you have to calculate. NaCl is FCC. For FCC, edge length, one formula was there for FCC, edge length A is equals to 2 into R plus R minus. 2 into R plus R minus. This formula you make a note, my dear students, very important formula. This is 2 into R plus R minus. So A is equals to 2 into R plus how much? 95 plus 181, 516, 7, 276 into 2, then what is 2, 6 are 12, 5, 5. 552 picometers. This formula was very important. Make a note. For body, for face centered cube, edge length A is equals to 2 into cation radii plus anionic radius. Cationic radius plus anionic radius. So answer is 552 picometers is the right answer for the question number 30. It is 552 picometers. This formula, you stand with this formula. A is equal to 2 into R plus R minus. And next question number 31. Question number 31. Next is the number of unit cells present in 39 grams of potassium if if it crystallizes as body center cube. N is Avogadro number. Atomic weight of potassium is 39 grams per mole. Simple question. 31. Potassium is equal to potassium gram molecular weight given 39, and number of unit cells are present in 39 grams of potassium. Potassium weight given 39, moles is equals to weight divided by gram molecular weight. 39 divided by 39 is equal to how much? 1 mole. 1 mole is equals to how many atoms? Avogadro number of atoms. Avogadro number of atoms means that is N. And potassium is a body centered cube. In body centered cube, 2 atoms is equals to 1 unit cell. 2 atoms is equals to how many unit cells? 1 unit cell. So here 1 mole of K is equals to N atoms. 1 mole of K is equals to N atoms. And but what given the question it is, but K is body centered cube. In body centered cube, how many atoms? Number of atoms in body centered cube is equals to 2. 2 atoms is equals to 1 unit cell. N atoms is equals to how much? That is equal to how much it is? N into 1 by 2 is equal to N by 2 unit cells. Simple question this is. N by 2 unit cells. 39 grams weight given. 39 grams weight, molecular weight of potassium 39. Weight by molecular weight is equals to 39 by 39. 1 mole. 1 mole contains N atoms. 1 mole contains N atoms. But potassium is belongs to what is? Body centered cube. In body centered cube, 2 atoms is equal to 1 unit cell. 2 formula atoms is equal to 1 unit cell. So N atoms is equals to how much? Means N into 1 by 2 is equals to N by 2. N by 2 is the right answer for question number 31. N by 2, this is the right option for this. N by 2. Next question 32. RNA plus radius of Na plus given 195 picometers, radius of Cl minus given 281 picometers. In the NaCl rock salt structure, what is the shortest distance between Na plus ions? Already this type of numerical already we done previous question, that is What about that R plus R minus into 2 is equal to A? Edge length calculation we done because of sodium chloride is an example of what it is? Face centered cube. Sodium chloride is an example of face centered cube unit cell. So 32 we should go with 32. RNA plus given 195 picometers. RCl minus given 281 picometers. Shortest distance between Na plus ions. Shortest distance between Na plus ion. Actually, you go through this one. Here, phase diagonal. Phase diagonal, one formula was there, 4r is equals to root 2a. 4r is equals to what it is? Root 2a, phase diagonal. Phase diagonal means while the derivation of what about the packing efficiency in face centered cube, we should get like this. Here one corner atom, this is face atom, this is one corner atom. R. 4r. 4r is equals to, we will get root 2a. 4r is equal to root 2a. So here, what the question? Shortest distance between Na plus ions. Shortest distance between Na plus ions. One formula was there. What about that formula means? Half into phase diagonal. Formula is equals to what? Half into phase diagonal. That is a formula. Shortest distance. Shortest distance between Na plus ions or any positive ions in phase centered cube. So what is the formula? Half into phase diagonal. But phase diagonal is what? But phase diagonal is equal to 4r is equal to root 2a. But phase diagonal 4r is equal to root 2a. But a is equals to what? 2 into r plus r minus. Edge length. A is equals to 2 into r plus r minus. That is equals to 1 by 2 into root 2a. That is equal to 1 by 2 into root 2 into 2 into r plus r minus. This is a formula. Shortest distance between Na plus. Shortest distance between Na plus ions formula it is phase diagonal root 2a. But a formula we know a is equals to 2 into r plus r minus. So 2 get cancelled. Root 2 into r plus r minus. Root 2 into r plus r minus means root 2 into r plus r minus. Root 2 1.414. R plus given 195. R minus given 281. What will get? 195. 281, 67, 471 will get. So that is equals to 1.414 into 476 picometers. On simplification, we will get that answer is nearly it is 673.06. 673.06 will get the answer. It is 673.06 picometers. So this is the process to calculate the answer. Because of you make a note regarding this shortest distance between Na plus ions. Shortest distance between Na plus ions, because Na plus ion NaCl is an example of face centered cube. NaCl is what it is? NaCl is a face centered cube unit cell. So in face centered face diagonal formula root 2a, but a is equal to 2 into r plus r minus. So half into face diagonal. Half into face diagonal means half into root 2 into r plus r minus. 2 get cancelled. So root 2 into r plus r minus will get the answer is the 673.06. This will be the right answer for the question 32. And next we should go with 33. 33. 33. A to B has antifluoride structure. B forms FCC lattice and A occupies tetrahedral voids. So here 33, B forms FCC. Number of B atoms 4. If all, what about that? A occupies tetrahedral voids. Number of tetrahedral voids 8. So number of A atoms 8. Make a note. This is number of B atoms 8. 4. Number of A atoms 8. If all ions along any one body diagonal are removed, the new formula of compound will be body diagonal contain. Body diagonal contains what is that? 2 corners plus 2 tetrahedral voids plus 1 octahedral void. Body diagonal contains what it is? 2 corner atoms, 1 tetrahedral void, or 2 tetrahedral voids, 1 octahedral voids. So number of B atoms 4. How we will get 4? 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 is equals to 4. This is a corner, it is a face. So body diagonal contain 2 corners, remove 2 corners. And number of A atoms 8. Number of A atoms, because of A atoms occupies tetrahedral voids. So on the basis of this, again we have to calculate number of B atoms is equal to 6 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. This is a 3 by 4 plus 3 is equals to 15 by 4. Number of B atoms is equals to 15 by 4. And number of A atoms is equals to 8 minus 2 is equals to 6, because remove 2 tetrahedral voids. Why? Because body diagonal. Here remove 2 corner atoms. So B is equal to 15 by 4, A is equal to 6. B is equal to 15 by 4, A is equal to 6. So B is equal to 15 by 4, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 15, A is equal to 24. 6 4 is 24. So 3 common, A8, B5. A8, B5 is there? Not is there? Answer is A8, B5. Option where it is, second option was there. This is right. A8, B5. So remember, my dear students, body diagonal contains 2 corner atoms, 2 tetrahedral voids, 1 octahedral void. If remove one body diagonal means you should remove 2 corner atoms, 2 tetrahedral voids, 1 octahedral void. That is the point. And next one. So actually, according to that, B atoms 4, A atoms 8. 2 tetrahedral voids means 6 it is. Here one body diagonal contains 2 corners, remove 2 corners. Here 6 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. 6 faces, 8 corners it is. And next one, 34. Sorry. In a compound oxide ion have CCP arrangement. number of O atoms is equal to 4 because of CCP. Cation A present at 1 by 8 of the tetrahedral voids. Cation B occupy 1 by 2 of the octahedral voids. What are the formula of the compound? So, number of octahedral voids is equals to 4. Number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 8. Number of octahedral voids 4. Number of tetrahedral voids 8. Number of oxygen atoms 4 because of CCP it is. Oxide ion form CCP. So, A present tetrahedral voids. Cation A occupy 1 by 8 tetrahedral voids. So here number of A atoms is equals to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Number of A atoms, total tetrahedral voids 8. In that 8 it occupies 1/8. In that 8 A atoms occupy 1/8. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equals to 1. Next second one. Anion. Anion, not anion. This is also cation B. Cation B occupy 1 by 2 octahedral voids. Cation B occupied 1 by 2 octahedral voids. So number of B atoms is equal to 4 into 1 by 2. Because octahedral voids 4, tetrahedral voids 8. So 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So what is the formula? A 1 B 2 O 4. A1 B2 O4 is the right answer for the question. A1 B2 O4. So it is option. This is the right option. A1 B2 O4. Oxide ion 4 CCP. Octahedral voids 4. Tetrahedral voids 8. 1 by 8 octahedral occupied by A. 8 into 1 by 8. 1 by 2 octahedral void occupied B. 4 into 1 by 2 2. So this is a simple process to find the right answer for this question. So 34 is A B2 O4. Next question 35. 35 simple question. What is the simplest formula of a solid whose unit cell has the atoms A corner atoms and B face centered, C body centered? Very simple question it is. Corner A, face B, body C. So number of corners 8 into 1 by 8 is equals to 1. So number of A atoms. Number of faces 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So number of B atoms. A atom corner, B atom face, C atom body. Number of body centers 1 only. So number of C atoms. So what is the formula? Simple, this is AB3C. Simple formula. AB3C is the right answer for this. 35. AB3C, because 8 into 1 by 8 corners, 6 into 1 by 2 faces, 1 into 1 body diagonal. So simple, this is basic fundamental numerical, this is. And next 36. In which of the following crystals alternate tetrahedral voids are occupied? This is very simple. The answer is ZNS. ZNS is called as a zinc blend. Zinc blend, this is the answer is ZNS, because of in zinc blend Zn2 plus ions, Zn2 plus ions occupy alternate tetrahedral voids. S2 minus ion form CCP. So Zn2 plus coordination number is equal to 4. S2 minus coordination number is equal to also 4. This is a zinc blend, very very important. In zinc blend, Zn2 plus ions occupied alternate tetrahedral voids. Cation. Anion form CCP crystal lattice. What is the coordination number? 4:4. Sodium chloride coordination number 66. Sodium chloride coordination number 66 and CaF2, Na2O, those are said to be fluorite and anti-fluorite. Coordination number 84 and 48 will be there. These are some points beyond NCERT, but we expect such questions for JEEs. So answer is ZNS is right for this one. So make a note if you want note down. ZNS zinc blend, Zn2 plus ions alternate tetrahedral voids, S2 minus ion form CCP crystal lattice. So Zn2 plus coordination number is 4. S2 minus coordination number is 4. So coordination number 4, 4. And next 36. Just a minute. 36 over 36 over 36 over next 37. The crystal systems of a compound with a unit cell dimensions A is equal to 0.387, B is equal to 0.387, A is equal to 0.387, B is equal to 0.387, C is equals to 0.504, 0.504 nanometers, and alpha is equal to beta is equals to 90 degrees, gamma is equal to 120 degrees. So this is an example for hexagonal structure. This is an example for what it is? Hexagonal, because of hexagonal is answer. Hexagonal because A is equal to B not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degrees, and gamma is equal to 120 degrees. These dimensions are these parameters, unit cell parameters, are satisfied with hexagonal crystal lattice. And examples: graphite and ZnO. Graphite and ZnO are the examples for this. Direct question this is, no need to worry about this. Next one, 38. Which are the following compounds in metallic and ferromagnetic? Metallic and ferromagnetic. Already this is based on the magnetic behavior. So 5 types of magnetism are there: paramagnetism, diamagnetism, ferromagnetism, ferrimagnetism, antiferromagnetism. So here for ferromagnetic, question number this is 38. Ferro, iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium, and CrO2. Go through the NCERT. This point was there in that NCERT. So go through that. Iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium, and CrO2 are belongings to ferromagnetism. Direct question this is, concept background. So answer is CrO2 is the right answer for this question. Next question number 39. Cesium bromide has BCC structure with edge length 4.3 angstroms. 4.3 angstroms. The shortest inter-ionic distance between cesium plus and Br minus. So edge length was given 39. Edge length A is given 4.3 angstroms given. 4.3 sorry. 4.3 angstroms was given. So the shortest distance, inter-ionic distance between Cs plus and Br minus. So cesium bromide is BCC. Cesium bromide is what it is? BCC. So for BCC, root 3a is equals to 4r. For BCC, what the formula it is? Root 3a is equal to 4r. This is a body diagonal. This is called as what it is? Body diagonal. So here root 3a is equals to 4r. The shortest distance between cesium plus and Br minus. So root 3a is equals to 2 into r plus plus r minus. 2 into r plus plus r minus. So here we have to find the shortest distance between r plus is nothing but r plus is a cesium and r minus is a bromide. So r plus plus r minus is equals to root 3a by 2. That is equals to root 3 into, given the question is a value given 4.3 divided by 2. 1.732 into 4.3 by 2. 1.732 divided by 4. What about that? 4.3 angstroms. Then we'll get that answer is on simplification of this, you will get the answer is 3.72 angstroms. You will get. Go through that. It is simplified. This 2.15. 1.732 into 2.15. 17 to the 34. 17 to the 34 means answer is nearly 3.4. Nearly 3.4 means 3.72 angstroms was it. So formula is very very important. Body diagonal formula root 3a is equal to 4r. Root 3a is equals to what? 4r. But what we have to find means we have to find the shortest inter ionic distance. Shortest inter ionic distance means what about that? 1 by 2 into body diagonal. 1 by 2 into body diagonal means 1 by 2 into root 3a. But a is equal to what? A is equal to 2 into r plus plus r minus. On the other hand, we should go like this. 1 by 2 into root 3a. Then 1 by 2 into root 3. A is what it is? 2 into r plus plus r minus. Like this. Or you should go like that only. It's only correct. 2 into r plus plus r minus this. So this is a formula. Next, actually, how we will get means 4r can be written as 2r into r. 4r can be written as 2r into r. What is 2r means? 2r is equal to d. What is d? D is the distance between cation plus anion. Like 4r is equal to 2r into r. What is 2r? 2r is equal to d. What is d? Not density. D is nothing but gap between r plus plus r minus. So this is d, like that. So answer is 3.72 is right answer for this 39. And next we should go with question number 40. Calculate the density of unit cell of sodium if the edge length of cubic structure is 4.24 angstroms. So here A is equal to 4.24 angstroms given direct edge length, and density we don't know. Avogadro number 6 into 10 power 23. Z value 2 because of sodium is BCC structure. Sodium chloride FCC. Sodium chloride is FCC, but sodium is available in the form of BCC cubic structure. And mass of the sodium is 23. D is equal to Zm by A cube N. That is equals to 2 into 23 divided by A cube. What is A? 4.2 into 10, 4.24 into 10 power minus 8 whole power 3 into 6 into 10 power 23. On simplification, we will get 1 only. Simplified this, you will get only 1. 1 point, actually 1.002 gram per centimeter cube will get. On simplification of this total, 46 divided by 4.24 whole cube into 6 into 10 power minus 1. 46 divided by 4.24 whole cube, 4.24 whole cube into 6 into 10 power minus 1, because 8 3 is 24, 24 minus 23 means 10 power minus 1. On all simplification, we will get 1.002 gram per centimeter cube, but the answer was given in that kilogram per meter cube. So this is converted into kilogram, means 1 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Simple direct formula it is. You can apply the formula, you will get that answer. That is 1.002 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Convert the value in meter cube, you will get the answer. It is simple question, direct numerical background it is. And next, question number 41. The radius ratio of KF. The radius ratio of KF is 0.98. 41. Radius ratio of KF is 0.98. So what to do here? The structure of KS, the structure of KF. The structure of KF, what about that? Is of the type. Is of the type. Options given: sodium chloride, cesium chloride, and ZNS graphite. Sodium chloride, cesium chloride, ZNS graphite. 4 options was given: NaCl, CSCl, ZNF, and graphite was given. So here, simple question this is: R plus plus R minus is equals to 0.73 to 0.99. 0.73 to 0.99. This is a coordination number is equals to 8. Coordination number is equals to 8. Here also the value, radius ratio value KF was given, that is 0.98. So 0.98 is in between 0.73 to 0.98. So coordination number 8. Coordination number 8 generally structure is what about that body centered cube? Cubic structure is body centered cube. Already I was already in discussion class we done this one. Cesium chloride. Cesium chloride is 0.92. Radius ratio of cesium chloride is 0.92. So it is also in between 0.73 to 0.99. So on the basis of this 0.98, the structure of KF is cesium chloride. What is the structure of KF? Structure of KF is nearly cesium chloride structure. It is nearly cesium chloride structure because of the coordination number of the compound is 8. Coordination number of the compound is 8. On the basis of that 8 is already we know cesium chloride. Coordination number of cesium 8, coordination number of chlorine 8, like that coordination number of potassium and fluorine both are 8 it is. Because of the values 0.98, 0.73 to 0.99. So this is direct question. So the answer is what about that answer? 6 point, this one is the right answer, cesium chloride. Next, Next question number 42. 42, the percent of void space in body centered cubic lattices. From 42 onwards, remaining questions are simple questions. Don't get confused. The percent of void space in body centered cube, unit cell BCC. So in BCC, 68%, 32%. 32% is void. 68% is packing efficiency. And in FCC, 70 to 20. In simple cube, 52.6, 47.4. These are the conditions regarding the percentages and how to find, but these points we don't want, we want this only. So how to calculate means already we know one formula. BCC packing efficiency is equal to 4 by 3 into 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by, what about that, root 3a is equals to what, 4r. Then what will get, a is equal to 4r by root 3, 4r by root 3 whole cube on simplification into 100. On simplification we will get 68% efficient, 32% void. Vacant space 32%, direct question this is, no need to bother about this, it is direct 32% it is. And next question number 43. Direct. Schottky defect causes decrease in the conductivity of solid, no change in the density of solid, decrease in the density of solid, increase in the density of solid. So it is direct question. Schottky defect is a decrease in the density of the solid because of missing of equal number of cations and anions. Missing of equal number of cations and anions, that is a Schottky defect. In this Schottky defect, density will be decreases. Schottky density decrease because missing of equal number of cations and anions. Missing of equal number of cations and anions, density decreases. Answer third one. And next 44. Crystallographic parameter in CaCO3 is, crystallographic parameter in CaCO3. This is very, very important. In textbook it was there. CaCO3 is called as calcite. CaCO3 is called as calcite. In this calcite, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma not equals to 90. CaCO3 is a calcite. Alpha is equals to beta is equal to gamma naught is equals to 90 degrees. Question number 44. This is said to be rhombohedral dimension. So both through textbook it is rhombohedral or trigonal. Trigonal dimensions are rhombohedral dimensions. In this rhombohedral or trigonal dimensions, A is equal to B is equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma not equal to 90. A is equal to B is equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma not equal to 90. It is said to be rhombohedral, or it is also called as trigonal. So answer is alpha, beta, gamma not equal to 90. This is the right answer for question number 44. Alpha, beta, gamma not equal to 90, calcite. And next question number 45. 45. A solid has a structure in which W atoms. A solid has a structure in which W atoms are located at the corner of the cubic lattice. O atoms are center of the edges and Na atoms of the center of the cube. The formula of the compound is W atoms are located at corners. W atoms located at corners. 46, not 46, sorry, 45. Number of W atoms. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 because corners. Next, O atoms at the center of the edges. Number of O atoms. 12 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3. edges. And number of Na atoms. Body. So what is the formula? Na1 W3 O. Na sorry Na WO3. NaWO3. NaWO3 is the right answer for this. NaWO3, this one, this option. Right. Next question number 46. In question number 46, a compound contains elements X and Y atoms CCP, X atoms 1/3 tetrahedral. What is the molecular formula? Y atom CCP, 46, Y atoms is equal to 4 because CCP. X atoms 1/3 tetrahedral words. Number of tetrahedral words is equals to 8. So number of X atoms is equal to 8 by 8 into 1 by 3. So that is 8 by 3. So X is equal to 8 by 3, Y is equal to 4. X8, Y24. XY3. XY3 is the answer for this. 3 is the 24. We done mistake. CCP lattice X occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral words. 8 into 1 by 3, 8 by 3. Sorry, Y8 by 3. Sorry. Y atoms form CCP lattice. Y atom forms CCP lattice. Number of Y atoms 4. X atoms occupy 1/3 tetrahedral words. Number of X atoms 8 into 1/3, 8 by 3. X is equal to 8 by 3. Y is equals to 24. Y4, sorry. X8, Y12. So it is X 4 2 is 8. Y3. So this is the answer. So answer it is X2, Y3. Next 47. Edge length of a cube is 300 picometers. Its body diagonal is. Body diagonal formula you know, that is root 3a is equals to 4r. Supply your root 3a is equal to 4r. 1 minute. 1 minute. Finish it. (47) body diagonal root 3a is equal to 4r. So body diagonal root 3 into edge length given 300 picometers. So 1.732 into 300 picometers. So we'll get that answer is 519.6 picometers. Because 17 is a 51. Approximately on the basis of that, we should go with 17 is a 51. 519.6 picometers. Direct question this is. Body diagonal formula root 3a. Body diagonal is equal to root 3a. Next question number 48 is a direct question. Which of the following is correct statement? Silicon doped with boron is n-type semiconductor. Electrical conductivity of semiconductors decreases with increased temperature. That is wrong. Silicon doped with arsenic is a p-type conductor. Metals are good conductors of electricity is right. Silicon doped with boron, that is wrong statement. Silicon doped with boron, p-type semiconductor will get. Silicon doped with arsenic, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, that is also wrong. Metals are good conductor of electricity is right. Metals are good conductor of electricity, only right point regarding that. remaining all points will be wrong. It is metals are good conductor of electricity. It is so answer this fourth concept background. You should go with the concept. It is next 49. The alignment of magnetic dipoles shown in below. One is clockwise, two is anti-clockwise. Clockwise, two is anti-clockwise. The net magnetic momentum will be not zero. All will be one direction ferromagnetism. One is clock, one is anti-clockwise, anti-ferro. Disorderness you have observed, ferrimagnetism. This is direct textbook question. Go through that text. Ferrimagnetism. This is a ferrimagnetism. Direct question this is. Next question number 50. The number of carbon atoms per unit cell of diamond unit cell is that is for 8 it is because of diamond already we know tetrahedral geometry, right? Diamond tetrahedral. 50th question. Diamond carbon to carbon 4 atoms, that is tetrahedral. This is, it can form FCC. FCC means number of atoms is equals to 4. And in this diamond total 8 octahedral voids will be there. Out of that 8 octahedral voids, half octahedral voids also occupied by carbon atoms. C atoms also present in 1 by 2 tetrahedral voids. So total tetrahedral voids 8. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equals to 4 tetrahedral voids carbon. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So this is the answer regarding the diamond 8, not 4 it is. Coordination number 4, but answer will be 8. So this will be the end of the session regarding the ZWI discussion. So go through that NCERT and competitive bits you should attempt. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you one and all.